Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get a refund on Postmates. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now on the home page. So this is how the application will looks like after you open it. So as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find the search bar. Under it, you're gonna find the categories. And here you're gonna find some suggested restaurants. So here in categories, we're gonna find deals, grocery, convenience, alcohol, pharmacy, and so on. For example, if we click on deals, you're gonna find some deals, some good prices right here. So for example, we're gonna choose McDonald's. Once you click on McDonald's, you need to select which thing you want to order. For example, this one. And after that, go ahead and click on add to cart and click on view cart. Once you're here, you need to check your order. And once you're sure, go ahead and click on go to checkout. Once you click on go to checkout, you're going to find here some suggested food if you want to add it. If you don't want to, go ahead and click on no thanks. And then you're going to be right here. You're going to find the payment options. So just go ahead, click here and fill the form with your address, etc. And right here under total, if you click here, you can add a payment method. You can either add pay using Uber Cash or add a normal payment method. After clicking here, you can either pay with Venmo, credit or debit card, cash, or a gift card. Right here, you're gonna find add a voucher code if you have a voucher code. So after ordering your item, then if you want to make a refund, just go to the account section and then search for help. Once you go ahead and click on help, as you can see guys, there is some suggested topics right here. You're gonna find help with order. If you click here, you're gonna find the options if you want to get help with orders. For me, I have this message, you have no orders. So right here, you're gonna find your order, and if you click on it, you can find the make a refund option. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.